Welcome to Sonatype SBOM Manager demonstration. Here we will be reviewing the basics of SBOM Manager product for supporting your compliance management needs. You can use this SBOM Manager dashboard to review SBOM usage metrics for your monitored applications. For example, track open source license usage and VEX annotated vulnerabilities in your managed applications. In this applications page, you can review and manage your application's risk disposition. Now let's select an application to import into SBOM Manager. You can use this applications management page to import and manage your SBOMs. Switch between different SBOM versions and specifications to inspect and determine the risk exposure. Review the bill of materials summary and also the SBOM release status, which is the percentage of annotated critical and high severity vulnerabilities. On the SBOM component management page, you can review the direct and transitive dependencies associated for each of your components. You can also visualize vulnerabilities and policy violation counts. Further, leverage the same view to assess vulnerabilities, violations, annotations, and to review and manage license violations. Let's now deep dive into SBOM components and understand the risk exposure. First, verify risk and disclose vulnerabilities using Sonatype's best-in-industry vulnerability database. Then review the additional insights on the undisclosed vulnerabilities to take necessary action. For each of these security findings, you can review the VEX annotation status to determine the impact. Then update the VEX status as suitable for analysis state, justification, and response to explain the vulnerability disposition. After VEX updates, you can now see that the SBOM component details page has been refreshed with the updated annotations. You can now similarly complete the risk assessment on all of your vulnerabilities to make the SBOM release ready, meet the audit requirements, and thereby stay compliant. Finally, assess your SBOM readiness for distribution to auditors and downstream consumers. Then export SBOM using either user interface or APIs or SPDX and CycloneDX specifications. There is support for multiple export formats like JSON, XML, etc. You can now automate your SBOM management and compliance steps. Use the SBOM management APIs for the same. Thank you for taking a tour of SBOM Manager product. Are you interested in learning more about how SBOM Manager can support your global compliance needs? Set up time with Sonatype for a full demo.